Hi, good morning. Still with me on my bare skin face right here, talking about skincare as always. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't known me, I'm Ashley, by the way. And in this subject, I'm going to share my secret how I do glow my skin and soften my skin using a kitchen product naturally. So here's avocado. Avocado is rich in vitamin E, some essential fatty acid, which is help our skin to get more soft and supple and glowing naturally. And honey is antioxidant and healing properties and also anti-aging, which is good for the skin. And as well a Greek yogurt. A Greek yogurt is contain probiotic and lactic acid, which is really good for brightening the skin. If you have a dark spot or spot because of acne scar, this is really good for brightening the skin. And here's what I do. So let's start by cutting this avocado into half, or just some amount that you will use for the mask. So what I do is smash down the avocado, make it into a creamy paste. The avocado is going to be in this consistency. We're going to add up a few drops of honey, just a few drops of it, and some yogurt. So here it is, looking like that. And we are going to mix them up. So once the ingredients are ready, I'm going to clean my face because I don't have a brush right now, and actually my brushes are dirty, so I'm going to just use my hand. That's it. It's going to be messy, but anyway, this is how I do it. I like to massage my skin using this avocado. A little bit, massage in circular motion before you leave it like about 15 to 20 minutes. But in my personal opinion, I like to keep this for 30 minutes. So is the product getting absorbed to your skin perfectly? Anyway, this is what we want to get our skin supple and clear. So this is it, how I keep my skin supple and soft using a home remedy secret, which you can find in the kitchen. I hope you guys like it. And I know it is messy right now, but what can you say anyway? It's homemade remedies and you're home. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. XO.